Lamasosha e-SANDF azobuyiswa ngezigaba ezahlukene.
We are delighted to announce to the people of our country that the first group, 249 of our troops who served in the vital mission, are due to arrive on South African soil from Tanzania today.
Lamasosha uma esefikile azoqale athole ukwelulekwa ngokwengqondo ngaphambi kokuba abuyele emndenini nasemphakathini.
Our main focus now is it's on prioritizing the standard procedures of demobilization. And this will include crucial psychosocial sessions, after which they will return to their respective units. Thereafter, will be reunited with their families.
Indiza ethwele lamasosha bekulindeleke ukuba ifike eBloemfontein namhlanje emini kodwa kube khona ukubambezeleka.
We are currently experiencing logistical challenges with regards to the landing time of our troops today.
Ungqongqoshe wamemezela ukuhoxiswa kwamasosha akuleli ngonhlaba ngemuva kokuthi amanye ayi-14 esale enkundleni eGoma ngoMasingana ngenkathi ibambene namavukelambuso iM23.